Today experiment is study of frequency modulation and demodulation technique. Title is measurement of a power of different frequency component of a frequency modulated signal and the measurement of the bandwidth. Objective: observation of modulating signal, carrier signal and modulated waveform. Observation 2: measurement of the modulation index and frequency deviation. And 3: determination of bandwidth. Equipments: FM modulation demodulation kit, CRO, connecting links and power supply. This is our modulating signal, this is our carrier signal and this is frequency modulated signal. And observation table, table 1 is carrier signal, amplitude, frequency, and modulating signal, amplitude, frequency and frequency deviation, that is F max minus F min divided by 2, modulation index, that is frequency deviation by Fm, and bandwidth, that is twice frequency deviation plus modulating frequency. This is our frequency modulation transmitter kit. This is our frequency modulation transmitter kit, and this section is input section or modulating signal section, and this section is carrier section and modulation section. This is FM modulator and this is our input section, and this is our CRO. Now measure the input signal or message signal. Now connect the message signal is red probe and black is ground. Now this is our message signal amplitude 1 2 3 4 3.4 1 2 3 3.3. Now 3.6 3.1 2 3 3.6 into 0.2 3.6 into, and now time period is 1 2 3 4 5 into 0.2 millisecond. Now measure the carrier signal. This is our carrier signal. Carrier signal amplitude is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6.4 into 0.2. Now time period is 1 2 3 1 2 2.5 2.5 into 1 2.5 into 1 microsecond 2.5 into 1 microsecond. Now connect the input signal in modulation in and output of this modulator. This is our frequency modulation. Now measure the value T mean and T max or F max, F mean. Now measure the value T mean. This is 2.2 into 2.2 into 1 microsecond. T mean is equal to 2.2 into 1 microsecond. Now T max is equal to 2.4 2.5 into 1 microsecond 2.5 into 1 microsecond. This is our frequency modulation. This point to this point is T mean or F max, and this point to this point is T max or F mean. Now carrier signal is amplitude 1.2 volt and frequency is 4 megahertz, and modulating signal amplitude is 0.72 volt and frequency is 1 kilohertz, that is 0.001 megahertz, and frequency deviation is 4.54 minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 27. Modulation index is equal to 0.27 divided by 0.001, that is 270. Our bandwidth is equal to 0.542.